Welcome to this video on static members, constructors, Singleton class, and destructors. Static data members belong to the class, not individual objects. Only one copy is shared among all objects. They must be declared inside the class and defined outside using the scope resolution operator. Static member functions can be called using the class name without creating an object. They can only access static data members. This code example demonstrates a static data member "count" to track the number of student objects and a static member function "showCount" to display it. A constructor is a special member function automatically called when an object is created. Its primary purpose is to initialize data members. Constructors share the same name as the class, have no return type, can be overloaded, and are invoked automatically. There are three main types of constructors: the default constructor, the parameterized constructor, and the copy constructor. This code illustrates the implementation of a default, a parameterized, and a copy constructor within the demo class. A destructor is a special member function automatically called when an object is destroyed. Its purpose is to release resources like memory, files, or connections. Destructors have the same name as the class preceded by a tilde, have no return type or parameters, and only one destructor is allowed per class. In this example, the constructor is called upon object creation, and the destructor is automatically called when the object goes out of scope. A singleton is a design pattern that ensures only one object of a class can be created. This is useful for managing a single shared resource, such as a database connection. To implement a singleton, we use a private constructor and a static object pointer. The getInstance method handles the creation and returns the single instance. The output of this code confirms that calling getInstance multiple times returns the same object instance, printing 1 for true. Let's test your knowledge with a quiz. Question 1. Which statement about static data members is true? The correct answer is C. Static data members are shared by all objects. Question 2. What is the purpose of a constructor in C++? The answer is C. Constructors initialize objects when they are created. Question 3. Which feature does a singleton class enforce? The correct answer is B. Only one instance of the class can exist. Question 4. What symbol is used to define a destructor in C++? The answer is C. The destructor starts with a tilde. Final question. Which of the following is not a characteristic of constructors? The answer is D. Constructors cannot have a return type. Thank you for watching this video.